Question number 1.23. Two large thin metal plates parallel and close to each other. So which is given here, two plates, right, which are close to each other. On their inner faces, the plates have surface charge densities of opposite sign. So one is positively charged, another is negatively charged, and the density is given 17 into 10 raised to minus 22 coulomb per meter square. What is E? So we have to find electric field at three different places, right? One in the outer region of the first plate, in the outer region of the second plate, and between the plates. So here, see, this is a topic of the textbook, right? So if we locate here, see, the electric field due to a plate is given by E is equals to sigma by 2 epsilon naught due to a single plate. So it does not depend on the distance, right? It is uniform. So at this place, the positive plate will produce field away from it, and this negative plate will produce field towards it. So both field are equal and opposite, so they cancel each other. So the net field towards the left is 0. Similarly towards right, this negative plate will pull, whereas the positive plate will push the field, that is the field is away from the plate. So as the field is equal and opposite, here I have calculated sigma by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. It does not depend on the distance, right? So the net field again 0. So at both this place, the net field is 0. If we try to check between the plates, this is true only if the plates are oppositely charged, right? If they are same, both are positive or both are negative, then our answer will reverse. Okay, so here in the between, the positive, the positive plate will produce field towards right, and the negative will also produce towards right. So the field will get aided sigma by 2 epsilon naught, sigma by 2 epsilon naught, right here, and it becomes sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught, it becomes sigma by epsilon naught. So now we have sigma and epsilon naught, we can directly calculate it, right? So in the outer surface it becomes 0, no need to write whole calculation, just you can write this much. Similarly on the second outer region of the second plate, again it is 0, that we have already discussed, and between the plate it is sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. It is sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma is given 17 into 10 raised to minus 22. Epsilon naught, we know this value. If you solve this, you will get 1.92 10 raised to minus 10 Newton per coulomb.